How to fix settings app not working in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Sometimes settings app crashed and it not support Windows 11. To fix this issue, simply go to Windows search, type settings and click on app setting option from the right pane. In app settings Windows, scroll down and you will find the option reset. It will, once you click on reset option, it will delete all your, uninstall your settings app, and after restart your system it will reinstall in your Windows 11 and Windows 10 system. The second method is go to Windows search, type PowerShell and open PowerShell Windows as administrative mode. In PowerShell Windows, you should enter the following command as is shown on a screen. This command will also available on your in this Windows description box. Simply copy this command and paste it in PowerShell Windows and press enter to execute the command. This will reset your settings app afresh in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Thanks.